Well guys, I bought something new. If you can't tell, it could be one of these three, but it's more likely this one. So pretty much what this is a 2005 Saab 92X 2.0 turbo. It does knock, so this is going to be a build series for sure. I was able to pick this thing up really cheap. So it's got a $1,300 set of wheels on it, fully adjustable coilovers, and it's a really cool car. 5-speed manual. You can see the boost gauges right there. So I'm gonna take this thing to the new shop about 15 minutes from here, get it unloaded, and go ahead and get it in the works. I had to drive 4.5 hours away for it, so the Duramax got a really good mountain workout yesterday towing a car. I actually towed a car there and back because I traded a car for this one. I'll put a picture right here for you. So yeah, you see what I traded for it. I had around 500 bucks in that car. You know, I hated to get rid of it, but you gotta make room for bigger and better. There's only a handful of these around, so pretty much I want to see if the strut towers are rusty and get it unloaded today, and I guess that'll wrap up part one of it. We're gonna decide if this engine is rebuildable or if I should go ahead and get a new one. We're gonna try and figure all of that out within the next week. Today is September 1st, 2019, so we're gonna see what we get. Fitment on point. A bath wouldn't kill it either. But yeah, when I say the strut towers, I mean right here, because these cars are very, very, very bad about rusting out, especially if they've been up north or in higher elevations from salts. So pretty much all we have to do is take the trunk out, open the trunk, take the little carpet out, and just look at the strut towers, and that'll give us a definite answer. We're here for this key right here because we got to move the Saab out of the shop. And just like that, we out here. We go ahead and open this up now that it's unlocked and get the Duramax put up. So pretty much what we're going to do with this is put it over there for now and put that car in here. Now personally, I haven't been here in almost 5 or 6 months, so this car could very well be dead, and if it is, then I'm going to have to go back to the shop and get the battery box. So fingers crossed. Lights light up in the dash, that's always promising. This might be really stupid, but, you know, I don't want to tear the underneath of my car out. So, I'm sure you guys would understand. Not sure if I mentioned that I have to get in through the back door, but this is obviously why. So, that should be interesting also, because this thing's about 500 degrees inside. So we are back had to go get the battery box because this thing does not want to stay running. So I think we're probably missing a piston or something. Did drop the trailer off while I was out. So yeah, this is about to be put in here hopefully. That is if it will start. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get this thing back in there. And this boy right here went dead, obviously. Alright guys, half of the battle is over since this thing is now in here. So, I'm so thankful. For some reason it did not want to pull in here. I had to take 2 battery boxes to start it. It just wasn't happening. So, it's in here now. We got security back there on the thing, on the wall. If you're wondering, these are 18s. I'm not sure the offset or anything, but a 3D SM. This thing's ordered on some sort of coilovers, not really sure what. So I do need to check the strut towers, but I think I'm gonna save that for another video. If you guys saw anything in here you want a video on, feel free to comment. We got the Duramax out there looking good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I think this will be part 1 of the Saab 92X Aero. Super WRX, whatever you want to call it, same thing. You heard how it sounds. Comment if you think we can save it, rebuild this engine. When I say save it, I mean save the engine, not save the car, because the car is fine. The car is not being parted out, so please don't ask. And if you don't know, I have one of these at my house just like this, but mine's the 2.5. Do a video on it soon. Mine's the same. It's got a little bad spot right here, nothing too major. If you want to see it, you can follow me on Instagram at Logan_H661. Snapchat is LoganHaynes661. So, you know, feel free to follow. You'll get more updates if you do. Pretty much post stories daily. So, if you guys are interested, definitely give it a follow. We got stuff to do with the Duramax even. Got to do some intercooler upgrading stuff to the Duramax also. But appreciate you guys watching the video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.